Hello, hello, hello. So, the most important message for today, really it's always the most important message, and is love unconditionally. Now, how do we love unconditionally? The way we do this is we have to realize that we are all part of the whole. Conditional love is when I look at myself as the best. And it's often something that we're not conscious of. But unconditional love is when I don't look at myself as the best, I look at everyone else as the best. And this is the difference between arrogance and humility. When a person is arrogant, and it's, again, they won't think I'm arrogant, it's just this kind of insanity that I'm the greatest. For example, somebody that is a boss in a company might expect the employers to just do his wishes. Now, really, it's just an exchange. It's a fair exchange. Hi, I have this job, and this person has a need for money, and we exchange. That's what you do when you go to the grocery store. However, it doesn't make me any better. And that's what the Bible, the Torah, really comes to teach us, is that there are different positions in this world. There has to be different positions, and only a world that has many, many different positions can have unity. When you have male and female, you can have the beauty of marriage. When you have, let's say, poor and rich, you have the beauty of the connection of one person helping another person. This morning I walked out of my apartment and somebody told me I'm hungry. So I gave them 50 shekel. Now, I've seen this person before and I recognize him. I know he's an honest person. But now we have a deeper kind of connection because he had a need and I was able, thank God, to help him out with that need. And I'm sure if I needed help, he would help me. And this is kind of the real world. Each one of us has a part in the whole. And when we realize that we're just a part of the whole, history is his story. It's created by a creator that loves love, and he gives us all a part in his story. Thank you so much. Please do your part and bring unity to humanity.